Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and good morning and good evening to everyone who's watching the video. It's me, Vichi Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into Amazon through app. So it's pretty simple. You can download Amazon app from your Play Store or App Store. It depends on the phone which you're using. Just download it. It's pretty simple. Just go to your Play Store or App Store, search for Amazon, download it. After you download it, before moving forward from over here, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's jump right into the video. But before that, for some people who do not know Amazon is the biggest online platform where you guys can buy and sell stuff. So yeah, that's basically the short description. If you want to know more about it, you can visit the official website to know more about it. Let's get into the video, which is on how you guys can log in into Amazon. You want to click on Amazon app over here after downloading. After you download it, basically it's going to say sign in or create account. Basically we already have our account, so we're going to click on sign in over here, and we want to enter the email address, phone number of our account. All right, so you can use create account to create yourself an Amazon account if you guys have not yet created an Amazon account. But if you guys have already created one, you can come over here, enter your email address. You can enter your email address like this, clicking continue, and if the email you entered over here is correct, you should be able to log in into your account like this. Now in the next step, it's going to ask you for your password. Now over here, you want to enter the password of your account. After you enter the password of your account, you want to click on sign in, and you should be able to log in into your account. And if you guys are not able to log in into your account, then basically the password you entered over here is incorrect, because if the email is incorrect, then you won't be able to get to the page where you guys can enter the password. So first enter a correct email, then only you can come to the second step where it's asking for a password. And after you come over here, enter the correct password, and you should be able to log in into your account. And if you guys are not able to log in into your account, then basically your password is incorrect. So make sure to enter the correct information. And if you forgot the password of your account, you can click on forgot password to recover the password of your Amazon account as well. That's also an option. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can log in into your Amazon account. Hope you guys are able to understand the video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye until then. And for those people watching the video until the end, thanks for watching. Bye bye.